Software Spring. Presence. How to set homepage in Chrome. Set a homepage in simple steps. When you start Chrome, it displays the Google search engine's homepage on startup by default. You can, however, set a different page as the homepage. Here's a point you have to remember. The new homepage you set will display when you click the Open the Homepage icon. Alright, let's look at the steps to set a different homepage in Chrome. Click the Customize and Control Google Chrome button at the top right corner. Click Settings. Scroll down till you see the Appearance group. Make sure the Show Home button is enabled, otherwise, drag the slider to the right. OK, what you need to do now is to click the second radio button. Then, click anywhere on the field. Type the address of the page of your choice. For this tutorial, I will type the Wikipedia homepage address, which is wikipedia.org. Click outside the field. Let's test this. First, open a new tab by pressing the Ctrl and T keys simultaneously. Now, click the homepage icon. Super! Chrome displays the new homepage, which is Wikipedia homepage. That's it, folks. In a few simple steps, you can set a homepage of your choice in Chrome. Remember, you have to click the Homepage button to display your homepage. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye.